Let's make ice cream today, with cheesecake flavor. You will need quark or farmer's cheese, soured cream, whipping cream, sugar, vanilla essence, and cocoa powder. Put 250 grams of quark into a bowl. You can also use curd cheese, also known as farmer's cheese. Add 250 grams of soured cream. Add 2 to 5 teaspoons of unrefined sugar, according to taste. Add a few drops of vanilla essence. Whisk everything for about 2 minutes, combining all ingredients into a smooth cream. In a separate bowl, whisk 250 milliliters of whipping cream. Once the cream is whipped, add it to the mixing bowl, and stir everything, to combine all ingredients. Divide the cream into 2 parts. Stir 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder into one of the parts. Place the cream with the cocoa, as well as the plain cream, into a freezer dish. You can layer the 2 types of cream, or place them next to each other, and create a swirl in the middle. Freeze the cream for a few hours, and serve the ice cream on its own, or together with toppings such as fruit, whipped cream, or chocolate.